learn French vowels. If you are new to this channel, I request you to please watch the alphabet pronunciation first so you can easily understand the sound of each vowels in French. There are 6 vowels in French. First one is A, it pronounced as A. Second one is E, it is pronounced as A. Third one is I, pronounced as E. Fourth one is O, pronounced as O. Fifth one is U, pronounced as U. Sixth one is Y, that is Y in French, pronounced as I. There are 4 nasal vowels in French. They are also called semi-vowels. It lies between vowels or consonant. They are pronounced with the help of nasal sound. First one is AN, AM, EN, EM, pronounced as A, A. Second one is ON, OM, pronounced as O. Third one is UN, UM, pronounced as A. Fourth one is IN, IM, AIN, AIM, EIN, YN, YM, pronounced as A. Before learning the letter sound of each vowels, we notice that there are some signs over the A. What are these signs? These signs are called accents in French. When we apply this sign over a letter, it changes the sound of that letter. These are called ague, circumflex, grave, cedilla, trema. When we learn this chapter accent, I will discuss all these accents over there. For the time being, here I'll only discuss the sound of each vowels. First one is A. It is pronounced as A. Second one is grave A. It is also pronounced as A. Third one is circumflex A. It also pronounced as A. Here are some few examples. First one is LA, that pronounced as La, means the. Second one is L, grave A, that also pronounced as La, means there. Third one is patisserie. It is pronounced as patisserie, means pastry. Fourth one is ane. It pronounced as an, means soul. Fifth one is grave A. It pronounced as a, meaning two. Letter sound of E. First one is ague E. It pronounced as A in month May. Second one is grave E. It pronounced as A. Third one is circumflex E. It pronounced as A, also A, both. Here are few examples of letter sound of E. First one is T. T means T in French. Second one is mère. Mère means mother. Third one is père. Père means father. Fourth is bath. Bath means animal. Fifth one is bêtise. Bêtise means stupidity. Letter sound of E. It is pronounced as E in her, in single syllable word with one consonant. Rule second, completely mute at the end of a word of more than one syllable. Rule third, pronounce as A in month May as followed by mute consonant. Rule 4, pronounce as A as followed by sounded consonant. Here are some examples of letter sound E. LE. LE is pronounced as La, means the. TE. TE is pronounced as Ta, means U. JE, it pronounced as S in pleasures. Lasers, it means I. LES, pronounced as lay. Lay means the. MES is pronounced as may. May means my. L means sea. Tar means earth. Later sound of I. I is pronounced as long or short I. In Hindi, छोटी ई और बड़ी ई. Circumflex I, it pronounced as long I. When a word is end with IR, it always has a long I pronunciation. Here are few examples. IL is pronounced as il, means he. Ami is pronounced as ami, means male friend. ILE, circumflex ILE is pronounced as il, means Iceland. Here one thing, when we use circumflex I, the dot point over I is automatically removed. There is no dot point over I when we use circumflex I. Sound of letter Y, O, U. First, Y. Y is pronounced as long I. In Hindi, badi E. O is pronounced as short or long O. Third one is circumflex O. It is pronounced like O in whole. Whole. O. Fourth one is U. It is pronounced as U in new. English word new. U is pronounced as U. Here are few examples. First one is trop. Trop is pronounced as throw, meaning too much. Second one is style. Style is pronounced as style, means style in French. Third one is dur. DUR is pronounced as the ur, means hard and difficult. Combined vowels pronunciation. There are few combined vowels pronunciation that are used almost everywhere. They are as follow. First one is OI, which is pronounced as UA. Second one is EU oblique EUX. It is pronounced like I in sir. Third one is OU. It is pronounced as oo. Fourth one is AI. It is pronounced like E in meat. Fifth one is AU oblique EAU. It pronounced as O. Sixth one is OY. It pronounced as UA. As we see, OY or OY has similar sound, that is UA. Last one is UI. It pronounced as UI. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe for more upcoming video. Thanks.